In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend photo edges in Canva. This method lets your photo melt seamlessly into the background, perfect for social posts, presentations, or website banners, giving a polished, professional look. Start by adding your image to your design. Drag it onto the canvas from Uploads or your library, and position it roughly where you want it. Think about which side you want to fade, or if you want the center sharp with soft edges. Next, go to Apps in the left sidebar and search for Image Blender. Open it and select your image. Choose the fade type, linear for a one-sided fade, ideal for sliding a photo into a background or aligning with text, or radial for edges fading toward the center, perfect for a vignette effect or highlighting a subject. Adjust the line or circle and the strength slider. For linear, drag and rotate the line to match the fade direction, placing it where the soft transition begins. For radial, scale the circle over the area you want crisp, letting outer edges soften. Use the strength slider to control intensity, lower for subtle, natural fades, higher for dramatic transitions. Watch the preview and refine until the fade feels balanced and intentional. Once satisfied, click Save to apply the effect and return the blended image to your design. From there, continue arranging your layout knowing the edges will sit smoothly against backgrounds, shapes, or text without harsh lines. That's the simplest way to achieve a professional fade in Canva. Add your image, open Image Blender from Apps, choose linear or radial, adjust fade controls, and save. With a bit of fine-tuning, your visuals will look clean, modern, and ready to share.